show that one and only one out of n, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. Proof: by Euclid division lemma, we can represent a number as a equals to bq plus r, and here condition is r is less than b and greater than or equals to 0. But we have question in terms of n, so replace this a as n. A is also positive integer, here n is also positive integer. N equals to bq plus r. Show that one and only one out of n, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means we should have in the place of b 3. If divisor is 3, then only that number is divisible by 3. So I am taken b equals to 3. Now this equation becomes n equals to 3q plus r. Here condition r is less than b, here less than 3 and greater than or equals to 0. We taken b equals to 3. We get 3 cases. Case 1, if remainder r equals to 0, say it is equation number 1, substitute 0 r equals 0 in this equation, n equals to 3q plus 0, that implies n equals to 3q. It is equation number 2. I am taking this value n equals to 3q. This is the n value. Here n equals to 3 into q. It is a multiple of 3. Multiples of 3 always divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Adding 2 on both sides in equation 2. This equation becomes n plus 2 equals to 3q plus 2. Here it is a 3q, that means it is a multiple of 3, and it is 2, not a multiple of 3. Here we have no common terms with 3, so it is not divisible by 3. Adding 4 on both sides in equation 2. This equation 2 becomes n plus 4 equals to 3q plus 4. It is a multiple of 3 and it is a not multiple of 3. It is not divisible by 3. Case 2, remainder r equals to 1. From the equation 1, n equals to 3q plus r is 1. Say it is equation number 3, and it is a multiple of 3 and it is a not multiple of 3. Hence it is not divisible by 3. Adding 2 on both sides in equation number 3, it becomes n plus 2 equals to 3q plus 1, this plus 2. N plus 2 equals to 3q plus 1 plus 2 is 3. It is a multiple of 3 and it is also multiple of 3. Common is 3, 3q plus 1. So 3 into something means it is a multiple of 3. Hence it is divisible by 3. And adding 4 to get the n plus 4 on both sides in equation 3, we get n plus 4 equals to 3q plus 1 plus 4. N plus 4 equals to 3q plus 1 plus 4 is 5. It is multiple of 3, it is 5, not multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Case 3. When r equals to 2, equation 1 implies n equals to 3q plus 2. Say it is equation number 4, n value equals to, we got 3q plus 2. It is a multiple of 3 and it is a not multiple of 3. Hence it is not divisible by 3. Adding 2 to get this term on both sides in equation 4. N plus 2 equals to 3q plus 2 already there, plus 2. N plus 2 equals to 3q plus 2 plus 2 is 4. It is a multiple of 3 and it is a not multiple of 3. 3 is not common. So it is not divisible by 3. Next, adding 4 to get this term, 4 on both sides in equation 4. It is the left side value n, adding plus 4 equals to right side value 3q plus 2 there, 4 adding now plus 4, 3q plus 2 plus 4, it is a 3q plus 2 plus 4 is 6. Here 3 is a common, 3 is taken out, remaining q plus 3 to 6. 3 into this value is the integer, 3 into integer, it is also multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. In the 3 cases, observe when remainder are equal 0, 3q, n is equal to 3q, it is divisible by 3, and that means n is divisible by 3, n plus 2 not, and n plus 4 is also not divisible. In the case 2, remainder r equals to 1, n equals to 3q plus 1, that means n is not divisible, n plus 2 is divisible by 3, and n plus 4 is not divisible. In the case 1, only n is divisible by 3. In the case 2, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. In the case 3, here first n is not divisible, n plus 2 is also not divisible, and n plus 4 is divisible by 3. In the 3 cases, only one of the 3, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Hence proved.